Hello, everyone. Let me come up fan out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, I got on the same outfit. No, you probably won't see these videos even in the same sequence, but I just finished recording an unboxing that I did for Macy's. It was just this charm and my crystal wallet that I got for my tabby. But today, I'm moving out the Lord. Let me put this box cutter just out the way for a minute. I have been so rough on this purse. If you're one of those women that you don't really like, and I should have got the bag, the chart, not the bag, the feet from the girls or the gals guide. Um, I don't know her real name. I think it's Alyssa, but she is. What's the name of her channel? I don't remember, but I follow her on or subscribe to her channel. I have all types of stains on the bottom of this bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat it with some fabric spray, like stain remover. And I'm going to try to scrub out some of these little stains right here. And I'm going to let her air dry and I'm going to put her up. But for me to only have carried her for like 2 weeks, I've been really hard on this bag. I don't know if you can see. Let me just get up and show you. Let me show everyone how I don't baby my bags. Look at that. Don't talk about me either, because I am super clean. I just don't baby my bags. And I must have set it somewhere where there was some type of food or something and wasn't paying any attention. So according to her, her feet will kind of help keep your bag elevated where you don't get exposed to so much dirt and stuff. So that's just to let you know how much our bags go through. But like I said, I'm going to put some stain remover here on this bag and I'm going to let her rest, but I will definitely go back in here. I love this bag. She is fabulous for someone that like a slouch, like it's not structured and you just like to throw your bag around. I did kind of change out the tags. I combined the small blue one with the big pink one, and I got this little charm, this pink key charm, the heart rainbow locket, and the heart rainbow and the green locket. I got this from Amazon. I think it was like, I don't know, like $12 or something like that. And I will try to put the link below if I can remember. And this is just a Steve Madden charm I added on here. And this is the star charm that came with the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the charms from this bag because I have to take care of it. I have to treat the stains. This was too cute of a bag and it was so hard to find. I did not get it on the drop, and I mentioned that when I did the unboxing, that I didn't get it on the drop. I had to just look up and stumble up on this bag and find it. So I'm going to try to get it back clean with like I said, some Tide stain remover and let it air dry, and hopefully it will all come clean. And I'm gonna put some feet on it moving forward. So I just got all the charms off. She's good without the charms. This is just a cute bag, especially if you like denim. Right, so let's talk about what I'm moving into. Move all of these out the way. Let's just put them over here. I got a little charm gel. What am I moving into? I am moving into the Bleecker. If you hear a little noise, that is something. Okay. I was just over here trying to figure out what. Oh, it came with the dust cloth. So I'm assuming that this was at some point over on the retail shop. Now I got this bag for, I think it's $177. It's still $177. I don't think it's gonna go any further than that. I mean, it's fairly discounted. It's a lot of wrapping. I'm trying to keep it neat, but I know I'm not. So I'm just gonna throw it all down here and clean it up when I'm done. Okay. So yes, that's good. I got a little dust cloth, and I've been wanting to get into this bag. And I was thinking, oh, what bag am I gonna carry for my birthday? Because like I mentioned in the previous video, tomorrow is my birthday. Today is July 13th. So you probably will see this. Now, this is not the bag that I got for my birthday. I've had this for a while. When they initially went down, oh, goodness. I appreciate them packing these so well. But when I initially got this bag, it was when it first dropped to $177. I was thinking, oh, do I want this bag? I always come to YouTube, look at the reviews, see how people pack them, and say, okay, what do I want to do? Do I want to get this bag? And I said, for $177, why not? Why not? Let's see how I'm going to carry this. It's probably going to be more of a shoulder for me. So I'm going to, yep. Okay. It's bright. It's summery. It's screams July for me, or even spring. So yeah, let me make sure I don't have that deal. Okay. And like I mentioned in the previous video, I know I look a little weekendish, and today is Monday, and yes, I wore this to the office because it's hot here. I just grabbed the first clean thing I had. What color is this? Vanilla. They trying to say this is vanilla. This is look more like yellow. But okay. And putting all this over here. And this is what I should have paused the camera and put all this together. This is a slouchy bag. I think I'm a fan of slouchy bags. Okay, so I'm going to put my 4-leaf clover on here. As I start recording better, I will try to do better when it comes to pausing the video, taking all of the stuffing and everything off. But some people like that. They like to know the sound, and we got the mic on so you kind of hear everything. But other people like, let's get to it. This bag is not new, so I was just, this feels so soft. This pouch is so soft, and then the inside is soft. It's slouchy, kind of like the bag. So I'm moving in here. This is what I was carrying in my, this is a Dooney and Burke, I think, Doodle 2. So this probably was a second version of this. I seen it like it, got it. And just my normal stuff I'm going to move over. I'm going to vitamin, business cards. I'm not changing out that pouch. Headphones, just stuff. Little Fenty. Yep. Oh, my Bose headphones. I'm not an iPad woman, and that's because I like the way Bose clip on your ear. With me being at the gym, anything that go in my ear falls out, and I have to keep wiping the headphones off, and I have to keep putting them in my ear. So when I seen Gunna in one of his videos, the rapper Gunna, with these in. I said, these are mine. I want these. So I want one of these instead of the pods. Not because I don't like Apple, because those work for me. So I use them when I'm, like, that's why I'm not putting them back in my purse, because I don't know why they were in there in the first place, and I did not take the paper out of here. My concern is it might not be able to hold this pouch. Let's see. Barely. Yeah, it can barely hold that pouch. So, will it hold my phone and vitamin? Vitamin gonna be able to, I don't always carry these, so they can stay home with the phone. And I'm going to move everything from my wallet, and I'm actually going to use this pouch as a wallet. And so I'm gonna take this little piece off, and I might use it for a charm or something. So just bear with me here. And I'm gonna transfer everything out of here into here. And that's what it's going to be. Let me just double check and make sure I got everything out of here. I did. And like I said, I have to treat this purse, so she's staying out until I get all those things. My eyeglass case. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here just to see how it's going to fit. And this is what I'm going to work. I like the little 4-leaf clover. And I probably go up one more notch. Let's make it full shoulder. Right here. Yep, full shoulder. And that's what it's gonna be. What I'm wearing tomorrow. I'm hanging out with my daughter. Both of my daughters tomorrow. And we're gonna do a little bit of work. And I'm just gonna pivot y'all real quick. This is what I'm doing. Can y'all see that? All my charms are in these little inserts. And yep, that is it. I don't know what else I'm gonna put on this purse, and I'm not gonna hold everyone up. I probably just take a mod shot at the end, but that is my unbagging or unboxing for the Coach Bleecker Vanilla, and I'm going to carry her probably for the next week or two, or until, because if I'm opening a new bag, I want to share it with everyone and do an unboxing. But if I go into something I've already wore, then I won't do a video for it. You'll just see me in the bag. Let's see if I can snap it. I can. I usually don't zip my purses, but I can snap it. She is cute. Glad I bought her. Glad I bought this. I like the quality of this. Like I said, I have some. I bought a 4-leaf clover from Amazon. Where is it at? I bought a 4-leaf clover from Amazon, and look at it. It broke. I've never got a chance to even wear it. It broke just being along with my other charms. So I was like, let me just go ahead and splurge. I didn't spend the full 95, but I got it on discount, but I still got me a quality charm. Okay, so sometimes going with Amazon or Temu or Shein is just not worth it. Look at this. Never wore it. If I could get back my 5, 7, whatever dollars, I wish I could, but we're out of the return stage of Amazon. And then I got this one, and it's even cheaper because I wanted to get it in silver and in gold. And maybe I can get some use out of this one. But this, I don't even know where the insert is. And I know I probably can hot glue it. But when you get done buying 15 of these cheap things, you could have just went ahead and bought this one. And it'll be, you can just look at it, look at the quality, look at the difference. You can look at it and tell it's better quality. So I mean, I think Coach probably got their stuff priced right. I have held everyone up for way too long discussing these charms, but yep, that's what it is. And I have other charms, and you'll see them, and I'll unbox them. And so this is not my first Coach charm. This is just the one that I'm going to enjoy and wear for my birthday. And I'll thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment